If you win $1 million, what will you do with it? I'm playing. So today I want to talk about currency risk. What is currency risk? It is the chance that your money will lose its value by the virtue of it being in a particular currency. Let's bring it back home. Let's say you have $1,000 and the exchange rate is currently 360 naira per dollar. What is that in naira? That is 360,000 naira. Yes? So now you've exchanged that money to invest it in Nigeria. So you put it in a mutual fund account, and let's say that a mutual fund account is giving you an average of 12.5% per annum. What happens? You make a return of how much? 405,000 naira. That is your capital plus the interest of 12.5% on your capital. Fantastic. You've made some what? Money. That's how much? That's what? 45,000 naira. That is good money. So what happens? Imagine if at the end of the year, they devalue the naira to what? 450 naira per dollar. Now, let's change that money back to dollars. If you now change your 405,000 naira back to dollars, that is, you're going to divide it by 450 naira. How much is that in dollars? $900. Do you see what happened? You've actually lost money just by the virtue of you translating it to another currency to want to play in that market. So you're probably thinking, Tosin, how can we eliminate this risk? I guess the first question for you to ask is, what is the probability of there being a devaluation? So you look at the return that you're going to expect from that investment and you compare it to what you think the devalued amount will be. There's something called a forward contract, which helps you to sort of gauge what's going to happen in the future. That way, you can measure your investment against it. Did you find this helpful? Talk to us on Facebook, on Twitter, on Instagram. The handle is @MoneyAfrica.